Okay guys, so let's just get 1 minute time frame. This is my trade that I took a good after taking this swing low here with this displacement. There's a fair value gap here, this one. So this fair value gap, let me remove this one. This one, market went in, got short there, it traced, went down. I wasn't aware that we had a PMI USD, this one flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. It's this here. So Goldust news went against my anticipation of the trade. My stop loss first of all was here. I trailed here. I wanted market just to come below here, take this swing low. I put my stop loss above here, but you can see news took my out. So this is a good delivery though. It's going to deliver, I think. I had anticipating that the market will come take this event, this liquidity short-term low that is here. That was my first target, and then there are literally good loss here. But if you check in the high time frame, I mean, we might have a very good bullish delivery after taking this liquidity. You can see how market reacted here, coming back to this breaker, going up. So this liquidity might be the target. Remember, you have some news that are here, like this one. Okay, sorry, we had the news that we had was German flash manufacturing and German flash services. It's not the easy news. It's mentor. So at 5:45 we are going to have flash manufacturing PMI and a flash services PMI, and well, sijakuwa chat for a very long time. Like jana I just niliguza jana majuzi niliguza. I haven't been inconsistent. I have been doing some stuff here and there, but yo, next week's there. Next week I'm going to be full force into it. I think I traded yesterday. Yesterday I traded. I think so. I don't know. Wednesday I didn't trade, I'm sure. Tuesday I traded. Monday I didn't trade. So I've traded twice this week. Yesterday I made loss again. On Monday Tuesday I made good profits. Yeah. Now I have lost again around $14.5. But that's small. I'll recover it. Let me check this pair. It haven't taken this swing low. You can see this one haven't been taken, but USD have taken it. Yeah. So that means time frame is there fair value gap here. Now market have closed below 30% of this. Yeah. So by that, I'm expecting better liquidity to be taken. I'm expecting better liquidity to be taken, but this swing low will be good to be taken first. Like market iende hapo ikuje ichukue, and then form a swing high that will make a shift market structure to go to this better liquidity. That will be a good delivery. But anyways, I haven't analyzed this market for a while. Just getting into it, doing something that I'm not supposed to be doing. Good institution here, good delivery. Okay. There's nothing to trade, especially from yesterday after lunch. Nothing much to be done have been done here. I mean, back and forth, and this was a good delivery, sweeping this high, all this basal liquidity. So what I expected is market just even to deliver bearish, like a good bearish delivery. Take this basal liquidity, this K1 USD. It was almost to be taken, this one, but it failed to do so. Just in case if I knew that there was news, I could have trailed my stop loss to the profit or break-even point by any chance. So that's a good institution. Only risk taker can take such a trade. You get into in that position, stop loss booting below this black candle, and let the market go deliver bullish. And the moment the market will close below this fair value gap, you close the trade. And you can use this fair value gap as an inversion. This one should be an inversion fair value gap. So this was an end position here, stop loss booting below here, and allowing market to go bullish. The moment market close above, you put stop loss just below here to the break even. Let me check gold. I haven't checked this one the whole week. Oh, that's a good delivery here. This is a good delivery. Watu huvuna kwa gold vizuri kama unajua kutrade. Najua kuna mtu ametrade hii. Yeah. Ametrade hii for sure na kawin. First end position reclaimed back here. You get another position here. This one, some macro, past macro. Consolidation waiting for the market to deliver until 3:30. Okay, that's a good one. Hapo takula vizuri. Just stop loss placing any above here, because this is gold. You don't give allowance. This swing high and this the green candle just above here. That's how you manage it, putting your stop loss above this green candle, fair value gap, a good entry position, market giving you macro entry position here. You can see body didn't close above that fair value gap. These are good for the day. can see market have closed above there. Plus a liquidity here. Let me check this one. This one is about to be taken, while you can see it failed to take this liquidity with a body, while Euro still took it with a very good bearish move, and it have just displaced high in a. But remember, the PSD has some news that is coming. Flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI at 12:30 p.m. Kenyan time. That's around 4:30 Eastern time. So in the next 40 minutes, we are going to have news for GPSD, and that will make at least a good balance. You can differentiate that with how they have a very huge difference between them. You like, for instance, let's say this one ijachukua hii and USD have already taken it and have gone to this basal liquidity. You can just anticipate that hii itakimbia huko juu ndio zikuwe kwa balance in the same the na alignment between them, because they should be moving together. Anyway, news ones that get wrong. Stop loss yako niweka top side kwa break even above this inversion, because I don't expect market to come back there. Even this fair value gap should be just, it's a volume imbalance here. I would love it to remain open. The fight can get this volume balance. Yeah, that volume balance. I don't expect market to close below that. By sahi market inafaa ukosha toka kwa hii trade, because for the fact the market closing below the volume balance, that means market can come beyond this level. But let me see if it just close above the conclusion of that fair of that week. On dot, that's exact. Let me just see. It's 17,452, and the high of that one is exactly just on the same level of that conclusion of this week. Maybe that was the target, but let's see. I love how market have just came back to this fair value gap, touched, went beyond first time, second time touched the high, going back here. So by any chance you didn't trail your stop loss, so still in the trade, that means I could have just waited to see market should not coming back again here, because I could just trail my stop loss to this, to the low of this candle. So unaweka tu stop loss yako at the low, and then you wait and see how market is going to behave, because this volume balance should be used again, market closing above it, never going to close below it again. Yeah, now you can see market touching the low of that volume balance, and it opened at the high, touching the low. It should now continue going high. At any case, it closed below. It's going against your it's a good basal liquidity that is here. Allow market close above like that, but now closing below means going against you. It means it can come below here again, and coming below here, that means in 15 seconds time frame, there's a 22 model that's here, market retracing back to the fair value gap and then continue going down. So even your stop loss is here, market takujia tu. Mimi yule msemo mwenye nikitrading, when I'm trading, market violate my PDRA, no matter even if it goes according how I expected before, I'm just going to close the trade, because there are a lot of trade that's coming. In fact, next week I think it's going to be a good week. Let me just check. Monday there's nothing, Tuesday there's nothing, Wednesday federal fund rate for MC, that's a good one. I love for MC, by the way. After for MC, so it means Wednesday is going to be crazy day. Not Wednesday, Tuesday is going to be a crazy, Wednesday is going to be crazy during AM session until PM session. For MC statements, Thursday is going to be the best day, because but remember you have an employment claim, but it's going to be the best during London session and New York AM session. And Friday is going to be the best day, despite having PPI and PPI. I think I can get good 3-4 trades here that I can maximize. There's nothing here really. Let me check. Nothing much to talk about. So I'm going to end this live stream at the moment, guys. I don't like I'm going to end this live stream at the moment. I'll try to be consistent and at least come live at the right time. Like, I have consistent time that I will always come into to live stream, whether they started or not. We just analyze trades together and we grow as a community together. So that's what I have ahead, guys. Next time, let me again.